This one's ready to dunk in the sprinkle pool. I'm Amirah Kassem, and I'm the owner of Flower Shop in New York City. Before I decided to open my own bakery, I used to work in the fashion industry. Every day it was someone's birthday or start a job, leave a job, some sort of celebration. So I would come in and make a cake, and everyone at the office would be like, wow. So I thought, maybe I should wake up and do this for a living.
What are you going to be sharing with us today? What are we going to learn how to make today?
Well, it's springtime, so we're gonna do the flour power cake from the Power of Sprinkles. You know, you could start with a cake mix, a cake box. It doesn't have to be perfect. All that matters
is that you
have fun and
right.
The process and what you're gonna do. You can even have little baking snacks.
Oh, look at that! Take little mini cakes.
Okay.
Right, here, I'll cut the hole.
No, not the top one.
Oh,
it's okay. It's okay. It's okay.
I tell you.
Because she's just showing you that if you mess up, frosting is your friend, and you can just cover it in sprinkles, and people will love it anyway.
Here to mess it up for you. Okay,
let's fill this with frosting.
All right, let me do this.
So you can do that. And then we're going to start layering them. I like to start with doing one little ring at the bottom.
To kind of glue it?
Yeah, just glue it together, because, you know, you don't want it sliding around.
Put one of these?
Yeah, there you go. Just center it. And then we're just going to keep going.
More glue.
See, you're already doing such a good job. And the cake has...
Lovely.
Okay, this one, don't put the top one on yet, because guess what we get to do now?
Gotta fill it with candy.
Fill it with sprinkles.
Yes!
See, I knew she'd have a favorite part.
Whee!
And you could really fill it with anything. It doesn't have to be a sprinkle mix. You can put M&Ms in there, different candies, whatever you like.
Nice.
There you go.
Ta-da!
You just stacked your first cake, I think.
There you go.
Then I like to do a quick little just la la la. I call this the crumb coating, so that you seal in all the crumbs and you don't really get, I'll show you a quick way. I use a cake scraper as my magic tool. And you just,
zoop.
It makes everything nice and smooth.
What do you do with this doodad?
Let's do the same thing, and then we'll make the whole thing brown. Because we're making a flower pot today.
Oh, it's a flower pot. I get it.
I'm going to teach you how to dye some frosting. It's really easy.
Can I make the dirt?
Please smash some things for me.
I'm going to smash some Oreos to make her dirt for her flower pot.
So we're going to add a little bit of food coloring. And with food coloring, you always want to start with a little bit and keep adding more, right? So you can get the color that you want. Because you can never take away dye, but you can always add dye, right? Just kind of like salt.
And then for the dirt, you take a whole bunch of chocolate Oreo cookies and you knock the heck out of them.
You have to do like a little dance while you're doing it, though.
My dirt sprung a leak.
It's okay. We got more dirt here.
Oh, there's more dirt there.
Magic.
Okay, I'm going to fill the pot with dirt.
Just do the edges a little bit.
Okay.
Just the edges. Yeah. Okay.
Now flowers.
Do you want to make some flowers with me? All you do is, I have these Russian tips, and they're really easy. They kind of make the flowers for you. So you just kind of do a little bit. This is why you didn't put dirt in the middle.
I wasn't supposed to put dirt in the middle. Whoops.
It's okay.
This is what it's supposed to look like. Yay! Cut the cake so they can see.
Yeah.
So they can see the sparkles and the sprinkles.
I promise you that everyone can make these at home.
And all you gotta learn is the one cake recipe. Or you could choose. She said you could even use a box mix.
Use a box cake. All right, you guys ready for the big reveal?